everyone. I know it's crappy lighting, but it's dark out and this is the best I have in the kitchen. So I'm gonna do a quick Walmart haul. I just got home from Walmart. I've been running all over the place actually. And yeah, Walmart grocery haul, how about that? So, one moment. So, I bought 12 20-ounce bottles of Sam's Choice purified water. And not because it was the best price or what I wanted, but I wanted a larger package. They didn't have it. This literally was all they had, unless you wanted to go up to the store-bought or like Nestle or more expensive brands. And no, thank you. I was not interested. Okay. So I had to get that one. And my son wanted apple juice, so I bought him 2 bottles of the Great Value apple juice and the 96 fluid ounces. I bought, these are my drinks, I call them my drinks. I bought 12 bottles of the Clear American, which is the Walmart brand, of Mandarin Orange. It's no calories, no fat, no nothing. And it tastes delicious. And if you're someone who's really not into wanting to drink soda all the time, but you still want that soda feeling, and you don't want like the Diet Cokes, Diet Pepsis, to me that tastes like garbage. I only drink them when there's like no other choice. This is it, baby. This is it. And I bought 2 bottles of the white grape flavor. I bought some Great Value Parmesan cheese because we're having sauce and shells tonight at my son's request. To go along with it, I bought Great Value 2 boxes of the small shells. I bought a, here comes my dog. Brace yourself. They went back upstairs. I bought Skippy for 28 ounces. Skippy for 20. A 28-ounce thing of Skippy. That's our favorite peanut butter. To go along with dinner tonight, I bought Great Value garlic bread. I bought some homestyle vanilla ice cream. It needs to go in the freezer right now. Bought some Great Value garlic bread sticks. These are what my son likes. A half gallon of skim milk. We don't drink anything but skim milk. The other milks gross me out. Sorry. Sorry if you drink them. And a 32 fluid ounce. God, what is that? What's it called? Pint? I don't know. 32 ounces. 32 fluid ounces of Burn Dairy chocolate milk for my child. What else? Ooh, the fun stuff. To stock up for Christmas, I bought, I can't be bothered going from scratch for this stuff. Too hard, because we do too many at once. 3 packages of the peanut butter cookie mix from Betty Crocker. The value size of the Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookies. Like I said, I do too many at once to do everything from scratch. No way. A package of Betty Crocker Snickerdoodle mix. And to go along with the peanut butter cookies, I bought 2 packages of, let's see, they're at the size of 11 ounces. Hershey's Kisses. And to mix it up this year, I also bought the Reese's Bells. So we'll do some with the bells on them. And that is it, my friends. I am done. That is my Walmart order. Or not order. I actually walked around and bought the shit myself. So, all right. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you have a great day.